What's going on, my friends? There's the hotel. I am not on the motorbike. I got a jet ski. And today we explore the most congested and most pirated fishing channel, shipping channel in the world, the Malacca Strait. Everybody thinks that it's Somalia, you know, and the pirates are in Somalia, stuff like that, but the Malacca Strait's the most pirated by far. To give you some numbers, since 2021, there's been over 300 pirate attacks in this strait here. In that same time period in Somalia, off the coast of Somalia, there's only been 9. So much more. Somalia was much more prevalent with pirates before 2011, and then the EU stepped in and they took protocols and stuff like that to actually manage the pirates and stop them. So it's a lot less now. So most of the pirates now have moved here, this is the Strait of Malacca. Jet ski, bro. So yeah, this is the most pirated oceans and waters in the world. Mostly because 40% of all the shipping, worldwide shipping, comes through this strait, because this strait goes all the way down to Singapore. 80% of China's oil comes through this strait as well, because they import their oil. So yeah, let's go have a look around. This guy was probably looking for me because he thought I would have stolen the jet ski. How's these houses? These houses are mad. It's massive oil tankers that get targeted now. Ships like that out there. And these pirates aren't anything like the pirates you think they are. These are like military advanced pirates. They hijack boats. They sometimes take them and repaint them. It's hectic. Drive a ski. Woo! Hey! So with this area, especially along the Malacca Strait, each side, left and right of this strait, is like all mangroves. So it makes it very easy for pirates to hide and wait for these big oil tankers to come through, you know? Especially as you get down closer to Singapore, because opposite Singapore you've got Indonesia. Indonesia's very famous for pirates. All those little islands, like Bateman, I'm pretty sure it's called, or Batman Islands. There's just tons of these little islands. And along here as well, there's all these little hiding spots, all these small islands every now and then. The most congested shipping channel in the world, because Kulalingi, which Kulalingi is just down here, just past this point, that's only 44 kilometers wide. Super narrow. The guy's trying to tell me not to do zigzag, but come on, brother. It's a jet ski, bro. Jet skis are made to do zigzags, brother. Let's see how quick we can go. 60. 70.